In this video, we're going to talk about product manager interview rubrics and how your interviews are ranked and scored by hiring managers. My name is Matt Susskind, and I'm a product manager and interview coach at Exponent, and I'm here to help you land your dream job in tech. So you've just learned a great framework for answering anything interviewers might throw at you in a product management interview. But you might be wondering how your answers actually lead to a hire or no hire decision. Every company weighs skills and competencies differently, but the evaluation process is similar across the board. Hiring decisions occur after the final interview round, typically the on-site interview. Then the recruiting or hiring manager will lead a 30-minute meeting with the goal of arriving at a decision about hiring you. Interviewers will take turns sharing their feedback and a recommendation along a spectrum like strong no, no, yes, or strong yes in order to hire you. For the most part, these meetings are consensus-driven, but in many companies, a hiring manager may have slightly more influence. Sometimes the decision is quick. If not, it may just come down to which group can convince the other to change their vote. Interviewers may place more emphasis on technical skills or domain-specific knowledge when evaluating an on-the-fence candidate, but evaluations typically follow a specific rubric. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, be sure to like and subscribe to Exponent for more tech interview prep videos every single week. Hiring committees and rubrics serve similar purposes. When used correctly, they allow for a consistent process, meaning that everyone is assessed at the same high standard. Counterintuitively, standard processes also allow companies to adapt more quickly. For example, if a company decides to switch out all their leak code style coding questions with system design questions when interviewing SWEs, it would be easy to pinpoint every round that needs an update. At Exponent, we've worked with FANG hiring managers and coaches to put together comprehensive and rigorous interview rubrics for all 6 of the main PM interview types. You can read more about each interview rubric on our website, which we'll link below. These rubrics include estimation, analytical, execution, product strategy, product design, and technical. Each of these rubrics captures all the main signals FANG companies tend to look for, with a rating from 1 to 5, meaning missing/very weak, up to very strong. For instance, let's talk about the execution rubric. Execution interview questions generally assess execution skills, critical thinking, and culture fit. Those execution skills include the ability to prioritize and the ability to execute on a plan. Critical thinking includes logic, both when diagnosing a problem and when communicating it, and your intuition for problem solving. And your culture fit includes communication and collaboration. An example of an execution question might be something like, as a PM at Instagram, how would you set up the feature roadmap for the next year? If we look at your analytical rubric, analytical questions generally assess your analytical skills, critical thinking, and culture fit. Those analytical skills would include data literacy and comfort with metrics. For instance, can you choose and interpret the right metrics for a given problem? As an example of an analytical question, you might get, what metrics would you focus on as the PM for YouTube? As you work with rubrics, you'll begin to get a sense of what a really good answer sounds like and where major signals are being missed. In the real world, you're not expected to be perfect, but by nailing a few key signals like being user-centric or having a product vision in product design interviews, you can wow interviewers even if you miss a few other talking points as you go through, say, trade-offs. This flexibility can even be advantageous for you. Companies use rubrics in leveling discussions when bringing on new employees, so if you're interviewing for an L3 role and you blow your interviewers away in each category, you may actually be able to negotiate for higher compensation. Rubrics have a lot of value for companies. They ensure that all candidates are assessed on the same core set of competencies that the company deems critical for the role. They make it easier for interviewers to step into the process without needing extra training or prep time. They allow for more equitable comparison between candidates and help ensure that the company chooses a high-quality hire. Turning the structure rubrics offer interviewers into an asset can also be a game changer for you as a candidate. If you know what interviewers are looking for, you can score your own performance, identify any weak areas, and hone your strengths. There you have it. I hope this video has been helpful to understand how your product management interview is being ranked and judged. For more product management interview prep, visit tryexponent.com to become a member today. Subscribe to our channel for new videos just like this one every single week. Thanks for watching and good luck in your upcoming PM interviews.